Welcome to Ballybunion Golf Club, one of the most breathtaking and revered links courses in the world. Nestled along the wild Atlantic coast of County Kerry, Ireland, Ballybunion is more than just a golf course. It's a pilgrimage for those who love the game. Here, where the land meets the sea, golf is played as it was meant to be. Raw, beautiful, and unforgettable. Established in 1893, Ballybunion has earned its place among the finest links courses on the planet. With two courses, the renowned Old Course and the charming Cashin Course, Ballybunion offers a pure and exhilarating golfing experience. The Old Course, a par 71 stretching over 6,802 yards, is a masterpiece of natural design, shaped by the elements and perfected by the hands of legendary architects, including Tom Watson. The Cashin Course, a slightly younger sibling, presents its own challenges with dramatic elevation changes, undulating fairways, and coastal winds that can turn a routine shot into a thrilling gamble. This is links golf in its truest form: firm, undulating fairways, deep pot bunkers, and greens that demand precision. The ever-present Atlantic breeze challenges even the most seasoned golfers, making each round a unique test of skill and strategy. You'll need creativity, control, and a touch of luck to navigate the rolling terrain. And then, there are the signature holes, the ones that stay with you long after the final putt. Take the par 4 11th, for example, known as Watson's favorite. With its elevated tee box and a fairway guarded by sheer cliffs, it's a breathtaking risk-reward masterpiece. Or the 16th, a par 3 perched on the edge of the world, where the wind decides your fate. But every hole at Ballybunion has its own personality, its own story to tell. The 7th, a long par 4 flanked by towering dunes, demands precision off the tee, while the 15th, another par 3, requires nerves of steel as you fire over a gaping chasm. But Ballybunion is more than just a test of skill. It's an experience. The crisp sea air, the sound of the waves, the sense of history with every step. It's the kind of golf that stays with you forever. The clubhouse, with its warm hospitality, is the perfect place to unwind after a round, sharing stories over a pint of Guinness and reflecting on a day well spent. The surrounding town of Ballybunion is steeped in charm, with local pubs and traditional Irish culture adding to the magic of your visit. For those looking to sharpen their skills, Ballybunion offers a world-class practice facility, complete with a driving range, short game area, and expert instruction from PGA professionals. Whether you're here for competition, leisure, or the love of the game, Ballybunion provides an unparalleled golf experience. So, are you ready to take on the legend? Book your round today at golfbacktravel.com and experience Ballybunion for yourself. The fairways are waiting.